Morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard Third Subject Moral Science. Which lesson we are studying now? Chapter 15, Stone Soup. Okay. What we studied last class? So, two soldiers during the during a war, two soldiers lost their way in the jungle. They walk about in different directions, but they could not find the way of their camp. Then walking, they reached a village. They were hungry and thirsty. Then what they did, nobody did not give to them anybody. Then one of the soldiers told them, he is going to make a soup of stones. Then all the people were amazed. Then they told them to bring one pot. Then they gave him a pot and other vegetables also. They have told them to bring. They all brought and gave the soldiers. Okay. Then all them making the then soldiers are making the soldiers were making the soup. Okay, that much you said and stopped there. Okay, then what is it next? Oh, it is very good, but if we had some coriander leaves, a bit of butter and some salt, it would be wonderful. That much we studied that class. Oh, we will bring them, and said of the villagers. They ran to their homes and brought everything the soldiers had asked for. What all things the soldiers asked, then all the things they already given. The soldiers added salt, coriander leaves, and the butter to the boiling soup, and then they removed the stones from the pot. Now the soup is ready. They already removed the first they put the stones that they removed, and then now soldiers said the soup is ready. Come and taste it. But if we had some slices of bread, it would be even more wonderful. And the slices of bread also, it will be very wonderful, more wonderful. In no time, bread was also brought, and the soldiers had a very good dinner with the villagers. And they gave all the villagers also that soup and bread also give them shared. Then that wonderful dinner they had with the villagers. See what wonderful magic. The magic happened because of the cooperation of the people. They were ready to share what they had. We can do great things if we are ready to share. See this story. We can understand with this story. With the sharing, we can do many wonderful things. Okay. With the cooperation of villagers only, that is soup made. Okay. Then all of them ready to share with what they had. At first the villagers were not ready to give anything, but then one man was ready to give his pot, seeing that all of them brought something for the preparation of the soup. Sometimes we are not ready to give anything to others. We are selfish people because we think only about ourselves. When we are not thinking others, that time we are selfish. We also think about others also. Okay, then we have to share what we had. But generous people always share their things with the others. Generous people will always share with the things the others what they have. First this story. First they are not ready to share with the the things and all, nobody. Then one man give the pot, then seeing that everybody started to giving to and sharing with the what they ask for, everything they given to the soldiers. We have many things, our books, pens, toys, etc. As students, we have so many things, our books, pens, toys, etc. Do we share them with others? Sometimes we give some of our things to our friends. That is good, but we should be ready to share with all the students. We ask us for something. That is good, but we should be ready to share with all the students who ask for something. If anybody need anything, we have to share with that person. Okay, then we to that student or anybody. Okay, those who are in need, we have to help them. Okay, that way we have to share our things. Let us remember, we can do great things. If we are ready to share, we can do great things if we are ready to share. Then only the wonderful things we can do in our society, in our family, in our school, in our class, everywhere. Okay, that way. Okay, I hope all of you understood this story. It was good story. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson, and question answer and one word answer and all I will give you in PDF. This you have to read the lesson and write the question answers in your notebook. Okay, thank you children.